Lesson 6. Work to learn, don't work for money. Job security meant everything to my educated dad. Learning meant everything to my rich dad. Many people live opportunities and money on the table by specializing too much and failing to learn one more skill. Most people focus simply on working hard, but that's often not enough. If you're a great writer and write a great book, you still not be a best-selling author. But if you learn how to sell and become a good marketer as well, you may exponentially increase your chances of having a bestseller. Many people are not willing and excited about learning that one skill that will take them to the next level. One way to think about a job is that it is a learning opportunity. Making money at a job is great, but if you learn new skills, you start to build a stack of experience that can be valuable over your life. That's why it may be good to try many different types of jobs while you're young. A job in which you have a high rate of learning is far more valuable than a secure job, with good pay and benefits over the short term. It's often better to learn skills and make a little bit less money. There are 3 management skills needed for success: management of cash flow, management of systems, management of people. The most important specialized skills are sales and marketing. Being able to communicate well via writing, speaking, and negotiating are skills that help you in all areas of life. Many people are held back in the realm of communication because they fear rejection. Great quotes. Number 1. Life is much like going to the gym. The most painful part is deciding to go. Once you get past that, it's easy. Number 2. The world is filled with talented poor people. All too often, they're poor or struggle financially or earn less than they are capable of, not because of what they know, but because of what they do not know. Number 3. I recommend to young people to seek work for what they will learn, more than what they will earn.